Hi, welcome everyone. So today we are presenting on how Spotify data can predict mental state. So we're team four. My name is Aparajita Rana. I am the product owner, and you'll get to meet the rest of my team throughout this presentation.
Hi, everyone. My name's Hamani. I'm the research lead. So our focus for this project was to complete an analysis that was heavily based on song lyrics. And from our discussion with the Ethi team, we came up with this concept of unintentional journaling, which is basically collecting data about a user's mood without having them do any real work. And this will give us insight onto a user's mental health patterns. And from a design perspective, our goal was to create a way to display information in a quick to gather way.
Hi, I'm Solana, one of the data scientists on this team. So what we did was we created a program to pull song lyrics of a song using Spotify API and the Genius API. We collected over 3,200 observations from a user's song listening history. So this would include things like the song title, the artist, how long the user listened to the song, genre, and audio features such as like danceability, acousticness, and energy. After some data cleaning and pre-processing, we analyzed the lyrics more to predict an emotion score, and I'll pass on to Pratyusha to talk more about that.
Hi everyone, I'm Pratyusha and I'm a data scientist on this team. So after we clean and pre-process our data, we derived our mood categories, which were derived from conducting sentiment analysis on the lyrics of the songs in our data set. For each song, we basically took the lyrics, conducted something called an NRC analysis on each of the words of the lyrics, and we were actually able to use that to return a score for 8 different emotions from the lyrics themselves. We then took into account the top 3 emotion scores for each song for our dashboard. We also conducted something called an LDA analysis, which basically finds common topics between words for words in a document, which for us was the song lyrics. And then we return like the common themes for the songs listened to each month.
Awesome. So now let's talk a little bit more about the breakdown of the dashboard. So for starters, the way we chose to organize it was daily, weekly, and then monthly. So from a daily perspective, the user would be able to see their top mood for the morning, afternoon, and evening, as well as different mental health resources, which was a take that our team wanted to focus on just because we are collecting mood data and that obviously has a correlation to mental health. From there, we would also display to the user the weekly overall top mood in the morning, afternoon, evening, and then finally as well from a monthly perspective in relation to these songs.
So basically this is the UI we are having for the application. So like this will have notifications and then we will have data regarding the most prominent mood. Like we will basically like we will put graphs and pie charts depending upon the, we will get the most prominent users mode, like top 3 prominent users mode, and then we will provide data regarding that. And then regarding notifications, we'll have 2 types of notification. So song notification is for to notify the user like regarding any song that could change their mind, song suggestion basically, and mood notification is just to notify the user regarding the mood fluctuation, and user profile is to edit the user's profile. So these are all we have, and I would like to move on with Pratiksha regarding the future steps.
So future goals, we mainly use the lyrical features to classify mood, but in the future, we'd also like to incorporate the audio features that we extracted from the Spotify API and the lyrical features to classify the mood. We also want to be able to use those 2 things to predict the mood of a user using some sort of predictive analysis technique. And lastly, we want to expand our mood categories using the Heaveners and Russell psychological models and user-defined tags from the Last.fm API.
Thanks for listening to our presentation. Bye.